Mm.
It said 1430 total.
Okay, he told me it was 1200.
Well,
Yeah, we had to add the frost proof to that.
Add the false proof to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$230.
You can call him.
Okay, I just sent him a letter. And also, could you put down the name of the plumbing company and your license number?
It's
Is your license number on that too? On that receipt?
is it there?
The plumbing license number.
Okay. What's got your name and everything on it?
Eh,
Call the shop.
Yeah, I mean, with the plumbing board said the license number had to be on the receipt.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
We did.
The plumbing board.
Oh, really?
I think somebody by the name of Buddy Lucero.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I guess they have a problem putting the license number on it. I guess they have a problem putting the license number on it.